feel really happy na finally na turnover na yung unit sa akin. You know, I was kind of waiting for this for a while. So I'm very happy and excited na the unit is in my hands right now.
Turnover day, busy day.
It's a turnover day. Finally. I've been waiting for this for a long time. So excited.
Hello guys, another day, another property tour. Right now, excited ako kasi bakit i-meet natin yung client natin from all the way from US. Kaya dito na siya ngayon. Samahan niya ako at i-turn over na kanyang first unit niya.
Hey! Nice to meet you.
And guys, this is Sir Rod. All the way from America po siya, from US. And Sir, ano po gagawin natin?
Today's a turnover day.
Guys, samahan niyo po kami. Punta tayo sa unit ni Sir Miguel. Sir, ano sir ang masasabi mo sa mga gusto rin magkaroon ng property like dito sa Mall of Asia?
Well, first of all, I picked this place kasi maganda yung location. It's very convenient. So, to everything that I need is within walking distance.
So guys, this is Sir Rod having his our first unit with SMBC and congratulations sir! Yeah!
Thank you.
Yeah! So guys, punta kami ngayon ng admin para i-accept na fully ang unit ni sir.
Oh, look at that. Look at that.
Hello guys! So kasama ko po si Sir Rod and kakatapos lang po ng turnover ng unit niya, so na-accept niya na finally.
First of all, I feel really happy na finally turnover na yung unit sa akin. You know, kasi I was kind of waiting for this for a while. So I'm very happy and excited na the unit is in my hands right now.
Sir, question din po pala, in choosing a property, gaano po sa inyo sir ka-importante na meron kang property specialist na mag-guide sa inyo?
Choosing a property, you need somebody who can guide you through the process. With ARBS, for example, if there's any problem, I mean, may contact point ako na who's always there to provide me help in any way. Like from beginning to end, you know, ARBS was with me. And I'm very appreciative of all the help that ARBS has given me, and I highly recommend it. So
guys, ibig sabihin, if you want to know more about SMBC, get your property specialist now.